Hi everyone, I'm Barbara D'Ambrosia, and in this video I'll be explaining the multiplication properties of even and odd numbers. Because this video uses visual demonstrations, we'll limit our discussion to positive numbers, although the properties are true for all integers. We need to start with a quick review of some definitions. Even numbers are integers that are divisible by 2. That is, an even number of objects can be separated into two parts of equal size with no objects left over. Odd numbers are integers that are not divisible by 2. So an odd number of objects can be separated into two parts of equal size with exactly one object left over. We should also review the equal groups model for multiplication. For example, when we multiply 3 times 4, the first number, in this case 3, represents a number of groups, and the second number, in this case 4, represents the number of items in each group. The result is the total number of objects in all of the groups put together. In this example, 3 times 4 equals 12. We need to consider two scenarios for multiplication with even and odd numbers. Products where at least one of the numbers is even, and products where both numbers are odd. We'll begin with the product of an even number with any whole number. The second number, the any whole number, could be even or it could be odd. The actual values of these numbers don't matter. The only thing we care about is that the even number can be separated into two equal parts with none left over. Then we multiply using the equal groups model that we discussed earlier. The first number represents the number of groups, and the second number is the number of items in each group. Notice that the total number of objects in the result can be separated into two equal parts with no objects left over. So the product is even. Now we'll look at the product of two odd numbers. The actual values of the numbers don't matter. All we care about is that both numbers can be split into two equal parts with one leftover object. Then we multiply. The first number represents a number of groups, and the second number is the number of objects in each group. Notice the two equal parts and one leftover object in the leftover group. We redistribute those two parts. And now we see that the result has two equal parts with one leftover object. Thus, the product is odd. To summarize, here are the two multiplication properties for even and odd numbers. An even number times any whole number yields an even number. And because multiplication is commutative, any whole number times an even number is also even. And an odd number times an odd number is odd. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, I invite you to check out the other math videos on my YouTube channel.